Hey everyone, Jason here, and I've been getting a lot of questions on what is the easiest way to copy or clone a page that you want to use in multiple different layouts. So it's something that you've built and you can use it all over the place. So I'm going to show you two different ways. The first one is you can actually save the whole page as a template and use that. And then the second one is just how to save a row and then to use that row into one of two different ways. One is just to save it as a saved row, and two is to save it as a global row so it can be used everywhere. All right, so let's get started. All right, so what we have here is I have a page that I want to clone right here. This is just a typical template, but let's say this has been customized. It's everything I want it to be. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up here and click on Page Builder. Okay, so now that we have our Page Builder, and as we hover over things, you can actually save things into multiple different ways. You've got the whole page, and you have the rows, and then you have the actual module itself. But so if we want to keep this whole page, let's say it's a landing page or it's a marketing piece, but we just wanted to say, you know, hey, 80125, hey, 80127, hey, 80129, whatever. It's a very specific marketing that we're using, and we've got a landing page built for that. So what we want to do is we've got everything dialed in, so we just want to clone that. We're going to go over here, and we're going to click on the top drop down over here, and we're going to see here where it says Save Template. So now it's going to say Save Template, save the current layout as a template that can be reused under Templates, Save Templates. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to call this JC Clone Page. So create something that you know it's going to be there. You're going to click Save, and now done, publish. So now that has been saved. So if I go here and I go to my dashboard, let me show you where we're going to find these. We're going to find them in one of two different places. So we can go here, and if we go under our builder, we can see under our templates, these are all templates that I have saved. So here it is, JC Clone Page, and I can now have it right from there. So let me show you how we're going to use this. So we're going to go here, we're going to say New Page, and we're just going to create a new page real quickly here, and we're going to say Add Title. So JC Clone Page. I'm going to click on the Page Builder. This is going to take a second to open. Okay, so now we've got the page, and we go over here to under Templates, and then we drop that down to our Save Templates, and then we find it from here. Click on JC Clone Page, and there we go. So now we have the simplest way to clone a whole page. Second way is, let's say this row is we want to use this, so we're going to click on the wrench again. And now that we're on the wrench, if we look down here, we can save it, or if we click on Save As, we can save the row. So I can save this as JC Saved Row, so give it a name that you know. Now, if this is something you're going to use across all pages, then if you save it globally, that means anytime you change it in that builder that we were looking at, it changes it across all pages. So those are two ways you're going to want to use the row and the global row. So I'm not going to save this globally right now, and we're going to say Save. And that's how simple it is. And then to find it, we're going to go here. So we're going to find that, we can find that under Rows, under Saved Rows, and it's going to be here. And you can see global will tell you that's a global. So there's my JC saved row, and I grab it and I drag it and I drop it over. And there we go. We've added those. We've also can go here under Saved and JC saved row. Now, like I said, we can also save columns and we can save modules as well. So I'm going to show you a module real fast just so we can take a look at that. But if we click here, and we're going to see this is an ultimate photo. So I'm going to click on Save As, and it's going to tell you right here, Save Module. So now you're going to save that module, JC. All right. Again, you can save it globally or not. Go ahead and click Save. We're going to go over here. We're going to take a look at saved. And then there's our JC saved module. So now, obviously, if I just drop that in there, it's just that module. So that module is meant to actually be, obviously, put into a different place. So that's how simple all that fun stuff is. We're going to click on deleting those extra pieces just for this example. But that's how you go ahead and, 1, you can save the template right from there. 2 is click on the wrench and save the row. Either keep it global or not, or go to the module and save it from there. I'm Jason. Thanks for watching.